gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Hey everyone, I've got something exciting, the new Find X9 Ultra. I had a quick preview earlier, but now that the demo unit is here, let's take a proper look. First off, the packaging feels more. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. More premium this time. When you open it, you're greeted with a message about exploration, which sets a nice tone. There's also talk of an Earth Explorer photographer set version, which sounds pretty cool. Inside the box, you get the usual charger and cable, plus a really solid case that matches the phone's texture. Nice attention to detail. Now, the phone itself. This is the Earth Explorer color, a dark green with a gunmetal gray vibe. It looks clean and refined, not overly flashy. The orange camera button adds a nice pop, and the lens ring clearly takes inspiration from Hasselblad design. In hand, it feels great. The frame is smooth and the vegan leather back is comfortable and premium, even with a case. The camera bump isn't too bulky and the rear mic is now clearly placed on the side. Despite the 6.82-inch display, it's surprisingly comfortable to hold. Overall, it feels very similar to the previous Ultra, so if you liked that, you'll feel right at home here. The camera module doesn't stick out much and has a nice knurled finish that adds both grip and style. The camera button now includes haptic feedback. It feels crisp and very similar to the previous generation. Color options are a step up too. The white and orange versions have subtle patterns under the fiberglass back, giving them a bit more personality. Right now, the interface is pretty limited. We can only access basics like Wi-Fi and GPS, so not much to explore yet. What I'm really excited about is the camera system, especially that 10x telephoto lens. It's part of a second-gen true color setup, and it looks promising. You can also spot an infrared sensor and a laser autofocus module. There's a small white dot on the back too, possibly for attaching a camera kit. Design-wise, the flash has been moved outside and looks like a dual-tone unit with adjustable brightness, which has become a signature touch. That's it for this quick look. A full review is coming right after the April 21st launch. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.